Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to use Claude Code for free using Ollama on Windows. We will set up everything step by step and use AI to generate a complete game project with just one prompt in the end. Okay, so let's start. So I just simple open my browser and search here Ollama and just open this site. Just simple copy this command, open my PowerShell, just open it and just simply paste the command here and hit enter. So basically this command downloads and install Ollama automatically on our system so we can run AI models using it. Here you can see it's now completed. So now what I have to do is I just simple write here Ollama and pass here this, and here you can see it will show me this Ollama is successfully installed in our system, and this will confirm that it is installed and working correctly. Okay, so now what we have to do is I just simple open my new tab here and I just simple search here Claude docs and just open this first site, and we have to go to this quick start, and I just simple need to install it using Windows CMD. So I just simple copy this and open my command prompt and just paste this here and click on enter. So basically this download and install the Claude CLI tool on our system. Here you can see the Claude CLI is successfully installed. So I prefer you to add this Claude installation part to the environmental variables as well. So it's good practice. Okay. So this is it. And now what I have to do is I just simply close this. And now I just simply go to my local disk and create here a new folder. And I just simply name this as first project. And what I'll do here within it is like just simply first open it and type here this CMD and it open the command prompt within this. And now what we have to do is I just simply close this, and here I just simply open my Ollama, and here within it, you can see here in the launch section, we have all the models, AI models available here. So we can choose from that. So I just simple select here this Claude, Ollama launch Claude. So I just simple copy this and go to my command prompt and paste it here and click on enter. And here you can see here I have a list of models here. Okay, some are paid and uh, some are paid and some are free. Okay, that we can use. Okay, and do what is like I just simply open the browser here and search here Ollama library and just open it and search here a model, and that is GPT OSS, and its name is this 120 and cloud. Okay, so just simple search this, and here you can see it will give me all the models that are this and their token limits and pull limit and all the things here. Okay, so what I do here is like I just simply go to my CM command prompt and search here. So we use here a command that is Ollama pull and pass here my model name that I'm going to use, that is GPT Oasis. Pass here 120B and use in pass in it this full name. Okay. So it will download the model so we can use it. Okay. But this model work on internet, and because it is a cloud based. So just click on enter, and here it is installing and setting up this. Okay, so it's completely set up. And now what I'll do here is like I just simply come here and use in it a command. So first I just simply close this and go here again and click on this command prompt. And here what I'll do is like I just simply use the command, that is Ollama launch Claude. Okay, so here our it is launched, and here in this it is showing us the model that we set up. And what I'll do here is like I just simple select it. Okay, so it will automatically open this as well to connect it with the cloud. So I just simple sign up with Google as well here, and it is waiting. So sometimes it is required to create account here. Okay, so I just simple create the account. Okay, connect it. Okay, so that's great, amazing. And here what I'll do is like I just simply press the folder, and here you can see the Claude CLI is open within that specific folder. Okay, so now I just will create a simple thing for just idea. So I just will write here create a simple create a web app of to do list using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Make it look good. Okay, so I just will write here make sure. Okay, just this, and just click on enter, and Claude will generate a complete to-do list app automatically. So that's great, amazing. So I just simply allow it, yes, and then also I just simply allow the CSS as well, and I'll just simply allow this script.js file as well. So also we can add in it the rules for adding editing files as well. Okay, so that's great, amazing, it successfully make it. So I just simply go to my here, and here you can see these all files are created by this Claude. So I just simply open it. Sorry, I just will open with browser, and here you can see it create this to-do app. So I just will add here like Vue.js, and it's added, and it's responsive as well. So this is just a basic example how we can use Claude freely with it. Okay, so this is it, and that's how you can use the Claude Code for free with Ollama to generate real project using AI. And we install everything step by step, connected a cloud model, and built a complete game using just a single prompt, and built a complete to-do list app using just a simple one prompt. Okay, so if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to for more practical AI and development tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.